spoke in your seminar today, what was the message you were trying to get across and what was the subject matter?
So, in the United States, the traffic is growing a lot in aviation, and the message is how can we grow our airport, but at the same time be environmentally responsible for our neighborhood, our area, and for the environment.
And how do you do that?
Well, you do that by looking at it from a holistic approach, trying to get your passenger to make proper decision on how they come from home to the airport and how they use the facility in the airport all the way to the gate of the airplane, to be environmentally responsible, to use high occupancy vehicles so they can reduce their carbon footprint throughout their journey to the airport.
And what's the most exciting innovation that you guys are doing over in the States that you wanted to tell Europe about?
So, in the United States, our Boston Logan is the highest HOV users. We got 30% of our passengers use high occupancy vehicles. We make sure that all our facilities are designed in a way that reduce energy consumption. We use solar panel for renewable energy. We look at it holistically from every point of the travel experience for the passenger. How can we be more environmentally responsible?
Americans in European eyes can be seen as the gas-guzzling nation that uses up natural resources, and Europeans like to think of themselves as quite environmentally conscious. What is it that you can teach Europe? What is it that you're doing that Europe isn't doing yet?
Well, I don't know if we're doing something that Europe is not doing, but I think what we're doing is trying to make sure that our passenger make the right decision. The millennium, all the millennium growing up right now, they're very environmentally conscious, and you want to be able to provide them with the right decision-making process. For instance, we are trying to make an app on the phone, so if you're traveling, wherever you are, your home, it gives you options, and it gives you what your carbon footprint would be for each option, how you get to the airport. So it encourages you to be more environmentally responsible.
Sounds really cool. So you've been already given your seminar. Right. How did it go down and what kind of response did you get?
It went very well. The response was very good. I think the conference is educational and teach people the different things that different airports are doing and different airlines are doing. So I think it's a good information sharing platform.
And how useful is it for you to come to an event where there's Passenger Terminal Expo going alongside the conference?
It's great because you can see all these exhibitors, you can see a lot of the new technology that's out there that we don't see sometimes in the United States, so we can bring back a lot of these things to our airport.